objective of the US 34 permanent repair was to remove and replace the emergency access that was established after the catastrophic 2013 floods in such a way that we integrate the needs of a working river with a transportation corridor and the local residents. All of these stakeholders working together to produce a more resilient and safer corridor for the traveling public.
My front door is about 20 feet from where the 20-foot cliff was to the river bottom when everything subsided and was done. One neighbor lost a garage, one neighbor got her house split in half. It was built into the floodplain and pretty much proved that the floodplain lines were accurate because that's the section of her house that went.
This has actually been a project with a lot of moving parts, a lot of competing goods, and many, many stakeholders. It's actually been a privilege to work on this, to come up with this balanced solution, finding an optimum solution here given the constraints of our budget, given the constraints, the physical constraints of working in a very high energy, high gradient and confined system, and working with so many different stakeholders. That's been a privilege, and I think we've made this canyon a better place once we're done.